We're on our way to East Pocket, or also known as Edge of the World or End of the World, and it overlooks Sedona. We're in Arizona, and we're final days of our road trip. We went to Tennessee after camping in Bryce and Colorado, and visited my mom in Tennessee, and it was a lot of fun. And now we're on the final leg of our trip. So today we'll be doing this woody mountain road, and then tomorrow we'll be on to the Grand Canyon. So if you enjoy the video, please give it a like and please subscribe. Thank you. Rogers Lake. Cool right here, huh? How do you like driving on here?
I like it. It's very fun. I mean, we aired down the tires.
Made it a little better, huh? As the camera's bouncing around.
No, I totally feel comfortable in there. We're going like 30 miles an hour right now. Woman of the Wild Frontier. Easy drive. Not complaining.
We've only got a couple miles left. We're going to be at the end. Should be some campsites, some great vistas. This is East Pocket, or Edge of the World, or End of the World. A few different names. Down there is Sedona. Pretty, really pretty. Cheers.
Cheers.
To Edge of the World.
Yep.
Or East Pocket. Making a little bacon at the edge of the world.
Give it a 10. It is a 10 for sure.
It's beautiful. Making some BLTs. BLT fixins.
I'm sure this video doesn't do it justice, but this view is a 10 out of 10.
Ready to eat. Keep an eye out for rattlesnakes. Wow. That's gunfire you hear. It's totally quiet right now. All I can hear is insects. Sedona is down there somewhere. Other than the gunfire, it's perfectly quiet right now. A little misty in there, like the Smoky Mountains.
Best camp location I've ever seen. I have to say, the views are ridiculous.
What do you think, Victoria, woman of the wild frontier? Are you getting winded? It's the elevation is 7,000 feet, 7,900 or 6,900. All right, thanks for joining us in East Pocket in Arizona at the edge of the world. It's a beautiful place. Hope you can make it out here. So thanks for joining us. Please give us a like and please subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.